Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to be back again, and this time I am here with the skincare product review. And if you know me, you would know that I can live without makeup, but I cannot survive without skincare. I'm a big skincare junkie, and that's why I'm so excited to be reviewing this product for you guys. I'm going to be reviewing L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence today, and I hope you guys are going to be excited about it and going to be very excited to know how this works and what difference I've seen after using this product. So let's get into the review. So this is what the product looks like. As you can see on the screen, I need to rotate it for you guys. And this is called Crystal Micro Essence by L'Oreal Paris. Essence is basically somewhere between a toner and a serum, and it is very lightweight. That's why most of the people like to use this for their skincare, especially people who have acne prone skin or people who have very sensitive skin. They like to go for Essence because it's very lightweight. So let's talk about packaging and price. To be very honest, I would say this packaging is very sleek and very elegant, and it is quite a nice packaging, I must say. This doesn't feel too heavy, and wow, like, it's cute. L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence is available in 3 sizes. This is 130 ml bottle, and it costed me around 1400. And there are 2 other sizes as well. One is 22 ml. It costs you around 250 rupees. Another one is 65 ml, and that costs you around 799. This one is the biggest bottle of them all. It contains around 130 ml in quantity. Packaging is very light, and it is quite good for the amount that we are paying. And this is the top of it. This is how you are going to lock it. I really like these kind of bottle caps, if I may. I think I'm going to call it a cap. The top of the bottle is very nice because it's very hard, or it's nearly impossible for the product to get like slip out of it or to be waste in any way, and there would be no spilling. I hate when skincare product or even makeup products like they get spilled. It's sad. Moving on further, I'm just going to show you what the texture of this product is like. Essence are very light, as I mentioned earlier. So this one is, it's water. It's just water. It is so liquid. Like, I'm just going to drop in few drops here. Just drop few of the product onto your palm and then just put it on your finger. This is the best way, guys. And then you just work it in your face. I don't have any makeup on my neck, so I'm just going to work this on my neck. It's better that you put the product on your palm and then like spread it on your fingers, and then you go like this. I'm going to talk about the smell of this product. It is very mild, and it is also very refreshing. I quite like the fragrance of this product, to be very honest. It's very nice. Since this product is an essence and it is literally like water, it strips down 10 layers to your skin. That's how it actually works. It's been around 1 week or something that I've started using this product. I am skipping my toner for right now. If you're someone who want to still use the toner, you can use the toner and then you can layer this product on top of it. And then if you want, you can also layer a serum. This product will literally cut down 2 of your products, and you can just use this, and it would be easier for you to use. Because I know that even though if you are a skincare junkie, but if you're tired or something like that, you would have to go with something that is easier and it is effective. This product not only revitalizes your skin, it also gives it a firmness, and it also makes your skin look radiant and glowy. It is already going in 10 layers deep inside your skin. I mean, you are going to glow like a goddess. Once you get the whole of this product, you will definitely notice that your skin, it's a bit soft and really smooth. So that's one of the key points that I have noticed after using this product for a week. In case you want to use this product in the morning time, what you can do is you can go clean your face as usual. You should always wash your face when you wake up, and then apply this L'Oreal Paris Micro Essence, and then you can top it off with the sunscreen. You should definitely have this product in your skincare regime if you're someone who wants to go for that crystal clear skin. So the conclusion is, I really do recommend you guys to go get this product. I will be linking few of the links in my description as well as in my comment section. Don't forget to check it out. And I have recently reviewed L'Oreal Paris Rock Signature Lipsticks. In case you want to check that out, that will be in the description as well. And I hope you guys had an amazing time, and I just hope that you would be inspired in a way to try out this product. It is quite nice, I would say. It doesn't even feel sticky on the face. I mean, what else do you want, guys? Please share this video with someone who has acne prone skin or who has literally very like 1000 varies sensitive skin. Do share this video to them because I think I found their new best friend. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button.